Hi, today we will learn about uh, data types, the material for code, and general overview of data types. These are the basics of Python. Numeric data types is like variables, numeric data, and simple operations, right? And fourth one is string data type, uh, working with the text, basic string, and methods, right? These are the four topics we have covered today, right? So first of all, we will discuss about the data types, and I will give you a general overview to all data types, right? So first of all, a data type defines the kind of value a variable can store in a programming language. Python is dynamically typed, meaning variables don't declaration, right? So types of data in Python. Python provides several built-in data types categorized as follows. So first of all, we will discuss about numeric data type, which that will be a integer, float, complex, right? And the second one is text data type, which can be the string, and third one is sequence data type, which can be the list, tuple, and range, right? We will discuss about list, tuple, range, and these will be in sequence data types, right? Fourth one is mapping type, which we call it as a dictionary. Fifth one is state data types, which can be the state and state frozen. Sixth one can be the boolean data type, right? Which can be the bool, right? Seven is binary data types, which can be the byte array or memory overview. And eighth one is none type, which can be the none type, right? So these are the data types we have to discuss today, right? So these are the example of that different data types, right? So whenever we will write x is equal to 10, that is 10 is the integer, then we will represent it as integer int, right? This is the data type. So y is equal to 10.5, that data type belongs to the float, and the z is equal to 3 plus 4 that data type belongs to what? The complex number. Why? Because we have a real number plus imaginary number. Whenever we have a real plus imaginary number, then we will call it as a complex number, right? So this is the text is equal to hello Python, this is the string, right? And s dash active is equal to this data type belongs to what? Boolean. We call short as a what? A bool function, right? And fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango. So these are data types enclosed with a square bracket. Then we call it as what? The list. And person, and something which is enclosed with the curly brackets, we will use semicolon. Then we call it as what? Dictionary, right? As in short way we will write DIC. So these are the data types: integer, float, complex, string, boolean, bool, and list. And last one is dictionary. So these are the data types we have given example to understand easily. So this is the basic of Python and numeric data types, right? In which we will write uh, first one is variable. So variable store values do not require an explicit type declaration. Just like number is equal to 10, it is a integer variable, right? Whenever we will write integer, that's called as a integer variable, right? And whenever we will write float variable, then we will write price is equal to 99.99. So 0.99, it means it's a float. We will write as a float variable. So third one is numeric data types in Python. So this integer belongs to the whole number, right? Just like num is equal to 10, this is the whole number, right? The floating point can be the 2.5, any number which can be in decimal form, then we will call as a float number, right? In the complex number, Numbers with the real and imaginary parts. The numbers which are real and imaginary parts, these numbers are known as what? The complex number. And this is the basic of Python. So x a is equal to 5 belongs to integer also, and b is equal to 3.14. This also belongs to what? The float. C is equal to 2 plus 3j belongs to what? The complex number. So whenever we will write print type is equal to 5, a is a variable, and we will write type b. This belongs to what? The float. So these function we will test in the editor, right? So a is equal to 10, right? We will write print type, and we will write a, right? So it will tell that what this number belongs to integer or any other form. So we'll run it. We will, because it belongs to integer. So this number belongs to what? Integer. You can write like that 10.5. So we will write the type function. Type function tell about which number belongs to which data type, right? So we will write 10.5, print it out. This number belongs to what? The float data type. Why? Because we have written 10.2. It is why. So these are the example, right? So these are the basic numeric operations. Best Python support basic arithmetic operation and numeric data types, right? First is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, float division, modulus, exponentiation. So these are the seven, what we call it as numeric operations we will use in Python, right? So we will discuss separately to all these we will discuss today. So these are the basic operations we have discussed, right? And we have written the code. X is equal to 10. Suppose we have number x is equal to 10, y is equal to 3. These are the real numbers. Now we have what? We have print all these functions. Print addition. We have write x plus y, right? So we will check these all values. So whenever we will write what b is equal to 20, right? So this is the teacher. Now we will write what? Print a plus b, right? The second one we will write print a uh, modulus b, right? And third one we will write print uh, minus, right? A minus b, right? And third one is print division, right? A divided by b. And fourth one we will write print what? A float division b, right? So and the seventh one is print a multiply b, right? And the last one is print what? A exponentiation b, right? So these are the basic operations plus, modulus, minus, division, float division, multiplication, and exponentiation. So we will run them. So, this is the first one is addition, second one is modulus, right? In the modulus, in the modulus always written what? The remainder, right? Right? This is subtraction. This is division. This is below division, right? This is what we call it as exponentiation. So now we will discuss about string data type. A string data type str. In the short we will write str is a sequence of characters enclosed in a single. Whenever we will write the single character that belongs to what? The string character in the Python. But how we write that? How we write that? We will write enclosed in single. Uh, this is the parent, and we will write in over what single comma. So this is the single inverted comma, right? This is the double. This is the triple, right? Quotes. Whenever we will write in single, double, and third quote, then we will call it as what string data type, right? So greetings is equal to hello Python print greeting. So whenever this is the what we call it as a string print greeting, the answer will be what? Hello Python. So basic string operations, string concatenation. Whenever we will add two strings, then we will what? We will use what? Concatenation. So this is the first hello, second one is Python. And now we will print result equal first plus space inverted comma plus second. So we will print that function. We will get what? Hello Python, right? So this is the how we write, how we can repeat the string. So we will use the uh, Python. Suppose how we repeat the Python string. We can write uh, we will write hello word, right? If you want to write two times, then we will multiply by two times, right? With the string, right? Multiply two times. So this is the hello word we have written two times, right? So this is what the repetition of what the string. So third one is string indexing or slicing. So indexing it means that it shows the position of characters, right? So we have written text is equal to Python print text zero. Zero is the position which represent the in the character, right? It represented in the character, right? So we will write. Suppose we have print print as in position what the zero character, right? It will starting from uh, left side, right? Zero and y is one, three is three. So the starting position represented by the zero, right? From we will write from right to left. We will take what minus one, minus two, minus three, right? Whenever we will represent our print zero position, that will be what the p character, right? Now we will write from left, so minus one. It will represent the n, right? So it is printed out what the n. So this is called what we have indexing. So slicing function it means that it represents the what the range function, right? We will give the range. So suppose uh, I will give one, right, and three. So it will print the range from the character, right? So this is 0, 1, 1 is y, right? So y and t. But it will not print what the last position we have given 3, but will print what zero position. So 0, 1, 2. So it will print what the byte is, right? Because the range start from our character start, position start from what 0, right? This is the last slide, the basic string method. So these are the methods we have used. So first one, hello world print text data first. Whenever we write the print text data first. So upper is the function which it converts the string into what the uppercase, right? So we have this is the upper text dot upper, and also we have lower. And the third one is what the string formatting. It's very important. We will use on everywhere. String formation or f string, right? So we will write what what print start b dot dot upper. We will use that function. So the string hello world will convert it into what the capital letter, right? That is known as what the upper. We can use same place as the lower. So it will convert the characters into lower, right? This is what it has been converted into what the lower, right? So these are the string methods we are going to use. The last one is string formatting, f string. So this is the program we will use. So this is what the string formatting are. String formatting, f string we call it as second name, right? So we will write the variable. So we have a variable name is equalized to two variables. First one represents the name, second one represents the what the age. So how we use the string method? We will write f, then we will write double inverted comma, right? Then we will write the name or age, right? This is called what the string formatting or f string. So this is all about the general overview on data types and strings. So let's see in next lecture.